to minister. Now you might say, well, how can you say that? Well, the word tells us that. Okay? He says, for the word spoken by angels was steadfast, and every transgression and disobedience received a just recompense or reward. And what it really means is said when the word spoken by angels, it means what they were speaking was the word of God. See, the angels can't, when the angels came to Cornelius' house to tell Cornelius to go and get Peter, see, they can't do our job. They're not on the same level that we're on. So he had to say, go and find one Simon whose surname is Peter. So the angels can't preach the gospel for us. Okay, he says, if the word spoken by angels was steadfast, and every transgression and disobedience received a just recompense of reward, how shall we escape? How shall we escape if we neglect so great of salvation? How are we planning on getting away? If we neglect what Yeshua did when he died and was buried and rose again from the grave to put principalities and powers under his feet, and to give you the desires of your heart, how are we going to escape? I know I haven't explained one thing. Hand me that clicker there. I want us to understand one thing. The divine order of Yeshua. And as I said last week, Yeshua is simply the word for salvation. So there's an order that was placed in the earth in salvation. And the order has changed since he died. This J stands for the Jew. And I have to, really, the Jewish name is Yehuda, or Yehudims, the Jews, Yehudims, Yehuda for Jew. So I just put J so everybody will understand. There's no J in the Hebrew language. That's one thing that we have to understand. But I put that there just because I'm trying to make a point. So the order that was set up in the Old Testament is the Jew. The order was to provide for the Jews and the Jews only. See, we weren't included. The